Hello everyone, happy Friday and welcome back to our eBay flips. So for today, we got 27 leads for you guys. So let's check some of our deals today. Starting off with eBay fuel for fans. You could buy this cap for 18 pounds and sell it for 39 pounds. There you go. And another one, let's check this one from Zoo& Co. This Jellicat burger deal, you could buy this for 30 and sell it for 68, double its price. And then this Jellicat fully clementine, you could buy this for 12 and sell it for 25, more than double its price. So check out the rest of the items that we got, guys, because we got a lot of eBay leads today. If you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options. Review giveaway, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So feel free to check them out if you're interested. We got price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest price drops and deals from these websites, so check them out as well. Another bot operated channel that we got is this Amazon to eBay flipping, wherein you could see all the latest deals from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay store, so check them out as well. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another, so don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for our eBay flips today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye everyone!